Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Madhumita and I am back with another video. So today this video is going to be about workout video. The first most important thing about a workout video is bun up, girls, bun up. Because see, if you really want to work out and if you're really very serious about it, then you have to ensure that your hairs are tied up properly. No matter what you do, you have to keep your hair up, because if you're just doing workout casually, not serious about it, then you can let your hairs open and then that's fine. But if you really want to do workout, pure workout, then you have to bun up, and that's how it's gonna work. So now I'm going to be starting with the workout. So stay tuned. I really hope you enjoy, not just seeing this, but actually implementing these workouts in your daily routine. And yeah, okay. Another very important thing I want to talk about is workout is essentially done for maintaining good health. Now, there are three aspects of good health, okay? One is obviously you need to look good, toned, and amazing. But workout also helps in maintaining good mental health, okay? So it's not just about physically looking good, it's about also mentally feeling good. So workout also helps in that. Third is workout is not only for weight loss, and like you can definitely like workout is going to add you in weight loss. So yeah, obviously that is the third reason. And the most important reason is workout helps in maintaining your body's flexibility, your body's agility, and your body's mobility. So mobility, flexibility, agility need not depend upon how the person is weighing or looking. Mobility, agility, these are independent of a human being's weight. These are these are features, or these are things that a person can only have if they are in practice. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're going to do, that's what we're going to focus on. So let's get started with the workout, and yeah, let's get started. Maintaining a happy lifestyle, a good lifestyle, has its own ways and do's about it. And see, there could be things that could work for you. Like if you think you can do a certain activity, good for you. But the main point about these things are like workouts, that it has to be consistent. If you're doing A, B, C, then you need to do A, B, C on all days. So that's what makes or breaks the deal. Okay, so like not just homework, or like you can go and have a walk, and there are many other things, but we need to find out what works best for us and what is giving us positive results. And the most important thing, which many people forget, what is doable on a daily basis? What is doable if you have 18 hours of office every day? Then what is the workout regime that you can follow even after having 18 hours of work? So it's not like, oh, okay, this is the best exercise that person is able to do. Great, good, okay, one day that person may be able to do that, but that's not it. You have to find out a regime that can be done on a regular basis. So that's what makes it. So this is one more tip which I wanted to give you all.
You know, working out isn't just about looking good. It's about showing up for yourself. It's about making that choice every day to be just a little bit stronger, a little bit better than yesterday. There are days when it feels easy, and then there are days when even putting on your workout shoes feels like a streak. But those are the days that count the most, because it's not motivation that brings result, it's consistency, discipline, the decision to move even when you don't like it. Right now, as you're watching this, you are seeing the effort, the sweat, the grind, but behind every second of this video there is a story, a decision, a choice to keep going, to not quit, to push through discomfort. And let's be honest, Progress isn't always visible at first. Sometimes you'll work out for weeks and not see a single change in the mirror, but inside, you are getting stronger. Your endurance is growing, your mindset is evolving. That's the real transformation. It's not just about the body, it's about what you built inside: focus, resilience, and confidence. There's power in repetition, in showing up again and again, not perfectly, but consistently. Do 100 hip flexor raises and say goodbye to belly fat. Add 100 knee lift and you will burn stubborn love handles. Woohoo! Throw in 100 knee lifts with downwards direction and it will tighten your abs. Finish with body weight squats and even your body will keep burning after the workout. Remember, you don't have to compete with anybody. You're not competing with anyone else. This is your journey, your pace, your victory. Every workout, every repetition, every set, it's all adds up. Because you raise your arm 100 times, your back should be upright and strong. Best back exercise. Because you do 100 Y-shaped stretches, every day your collarbones will be well defined. Because you do 100 hip to low lateral pull downs every day, your back should be upright and strong. Because you do 100 shoulder rotation stretches every day, your shoulder should be straight, beautiful, and lined. And yeah, some days you may not want to do exercise at all, but even the smallest effort today can lead to big changes tomorrow. Some days you may feel low, some days you might want to skip. That's normal, that's human. But if you just keep showing up, no matter what, you win. So the next time you feel tired or demotivated, remember this moment. Remember why you started. Remember that taking care of your body is one of the most powerful acts of self respect. You don't have to be extreme, you just have to be consistent. So be proud of every step, every drop of sweat, every second you invest in yourself. This is you putting in the work, and you are doing an amazing job. And the exercises that you see on screen, it's very, very tough. Right now, that you see on screen are cat and cow pose, and these are my favorite leg stance change. That's very tough. And these are the crisscross with hands and the best pose.
Hello everyone, I am done with my workout, and as you can see, I have done almost like an hour workout. Like obviously when you are watching it, you're watching it in a speed like 2x speed, because I don't want to bore you all by giving the entire video. But the point remains, I'm so glad that I could finish this workout, my set, with leg, shoulders, core, legs, hands, rotation, everything. I'm so happy and so proud. And yeah, woohoo, done with my workout. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I had so much fun making this video. So now this is acting as a motivation, like, you know, ensuring that I come up with video which is educational, beneficial, and it will add value for everyone. That even motivates me to show up each day and show you all what is something that I'm carrying on. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching my video till here. And once again, I am here with the same thing. Please do subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. It is something that you can just press that one button. I know this looks so overly said, and it is so much of, you might feel like, why is someone telling this again? Because I'll tell you, this genuinely motivates us, like genuinely, and it is that one thing that we work hard for. And your one subscribe, your one comment, your action of watching this video till here really helps us. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel, comment down on this video, and also like this video. And I'm going to see you next time in my other videos. Till that time, take care, stay blessed, stay happy, take care of your parents, take care of your family, do your work, do what you love to do, and be happy and be what you are. Take care, bye bye, toodles. I'm Madhumita signing off.